3 reasons Bitcoin's going to explode in the year 2023. We've only just started this year, but I'm going to tell you why it's going to explode after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. So what am I talking about here? The top 3 reasons. So one reason is the strong gains in the crypto market was the falling inflation rate in the US. Falling inflation makes interest rate hikes increasingly unlikely. This ensures that the climate for investment improves because rising key interest rates mean that fiat money is becoming more expensive. Okay, as you can follow along with this article, cryptotalker.io, it has driven prices down in recent months. The positive investment climate should continue in the coming weeks. Further interest rates hikes seem unlikely at the moment, but could return in the future for this to happen. Now, the reduction in inflation would have to be slower for now anyway. However, markets seem to be reacting positively to this. Now, in the last few weeks, we have repeatedly addressed the year 2019. This was also the second year of the bear market. At that time, the Bitcoin price was even able to rise above the value of 10,500 after having previously been at 3,500. This was a threefold increase in just a few months. Okay, so what does that mean? Bitcoin price in 2019, you can see here what happened. Should the year 2023 mirror the Bitcoin year 2019, the Bitcoin could rise, continue in the next few weeks. A similar price development after 4 years is not untypical, and the crypto market always reflects old cycles. Now, Bitcoin surge and return to normal levels? Who knows? The Bitcoin surge may not have been just a short-term rally. Instead, it could be upward correction after Bitcoin has been extremely undervalued for the past weeks. This is mainly due to the strong interest rate hikes like the USA and the market crash caused by FTX bankruptcy. The real value of Bitcoin could therefore be much higher than the rate at the turn of the year indicator. The Bitcoin price could continue to rise over the next few weeks and reach a level where it should have been a few weeks ago. That's it from me, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to see you next time.